Hi, if you guys can hear this, then welcome to Slime Rancher. This is my first episode with just me this time. And this time I'm actually going to be talking, unlike the first episode that I put out. But welcome to Slime Rancher. No, there's no mods. It's just going to be a regular old a game, basically. I don't know why, but I like the tar. I like the tar icons. I'm just gonna do this quickly. I might not talk for some time, like sometimes, but yeah, this is episode 1 of Slime Rancher. Yeah. I'm not gonna choose any of those. So, I'm gonna mainly, hopefully, well, enjoy this as much as you guys do. Hopefully, you guys will enjoy this. If you guys have any comments about how to get rid of the circle that goes around my mouse, I would love that. Each video will go up to 15 minutes, maybe less, because of the Pacific Recorder thing that I have. But yeah, you're gonna hear me say "but yeah" a lot. Well, yeah, you guys may not like this. I don't know. It depends on you guys. This is point of view. But I played this before, so I'm sorry if you don't like how I do this. Alright, you guys. Come here. I know there's one more pink slime. Get over here. Shove you in there. Okay, let's see here. Okay. So, for those that don't know about Slime Rancher, it's basically a farming game, but for slimes. Plorts is what you get after you feed the slimes. Pink plorts cost 10 right now. Oh. What a deal. I'm gonna have to recollect you guys anyway. 1, 2, 3, 4. I swear there was one more plorts. Oh well. Okay, I'm gonna keep one. I'm gonna put a garden right next to them. Just to make them get teased. I am sorry if I go quiet on you guys. Or just straight up not talk for a bit. I would talk, and I do sometimes talk, but as you can tell. And also, I play with other people, like Jack Trooper. Jack Trooper is not on right now, so that's why I'm filming alone right now. Once he's on, I basically don't talk, so that's why you see some videos with me not talking. And yeah, if you see me like click on that and not read it out loud, it's probably because I read it in my head. I am terrible at reading it out loud. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I got slime mail. I want you guys. Right. Hen hens can be gone. Clark can go away. Yeah. I'm just putting up this first video. I might go to my more developed world. So I might, but if you guys like and comment, like and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Go up to like just 100 likes. Honestly, I'll just go and continue on this world. Don't you dare. There we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna shove this all in here. I need the plorts. I'm gonna wait until 4 of your plorts come out. Ooh. Okay, so press no, not F2, F1. I get Slimepedia, rock slimes, vegetables. Carrots are vegetables, right? I can just look in here, honestly. Carrots, you are out of vegetable. Yes, you are. Yay. Slimepedia, slime mail. You're in here. You guys can read it yourself. I'm sorry if I don't read it. I just mainly read to myself, like just read in my head. So yeah, you can pause the video and read it yourself. I'm sorry about that. Excuse me, I saw that. I don't care about the little chickadees. Eat. Eat. I also play Minecraft and like Stardew Valley, as you guys can tell by my first episode. Stop being bouncy. Okay, you know, I have an idea. Just gonna shove all those in there and sleep until morning. This is somewhat morning. Okay. Ooh. Okay, take you, take you. I just wanted the plorts. You guys can go away now. Ow. You guys don't know? Shoot. Okay, this is mainly just gonna hurt me every time I do this. Okay. That's the High walls are 350. Okay, I need to. If I start to be quiet for some random reason, or just straight up, yeah, if you hear most of me breathing, I'm sorry. I got a really close mic right now. And basically, I got a really bad mic right now, so I'm sorry for that. This is worth getting hurt. Ow. Ow. Be gone. Oh, I am practically dead. Okay. I'm gonna leave now. I like mostly adventure games. So you're probably gonna see me play Minecraft or like hopefully Minecraft. I don't really know. I don't know if this game will actually come out. I honestly don't know if this will like the recording system that I have. So it's only a yeah. Let's hope. I'll purchase the high walls and then plart collector. It's $500. Oh my. Okay, I'm stuck. One. Do 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 do. Haha. Let's hope this works, honestly. Right, I saw your carrots. Yeah, if you guys know how to get rid of the yellow circle around my mouse, that would be lovely. I honestly just hope that this records. This video probably will be... maybe... no. I have a half a minute left anyway. I hope you guys would like this. And I also hope that it would work. And if you guys like my content, just like and subscribe, honestly. Just Actually, no, don't even subscribe.